So you've started a hair loss treatment, and there's that one big question that's probably on your mind day in and day out. Is this thing actually working? Yeah, that waiting game can be brutal, filled with a lot of doubt and, let's be honest, a lot of staring in the mirror. So today, let's cut through all that uncertainty and set some real, expert-backed expectations. So let's just tackle that question head on. When are you really going to see results? We are going to walk through a super realistic timeline so you'll know exactly what to look for and, just as important, when to look for it. Okay, so I want you to think of the next 2 years like a journey with 4 major pit stops. First up, at month 3, it's all about getting things under control. Then around month 6, you get that exciting new growth. After that, we're talking about building real volume by month 18. And finally, hitting your max potential at the 2-year mark. This is our roadmap. Let's get into it. Let's start right at the beginning, the first 90 days. This phase is all about building the foundation. And I gotta tell you, patience is the name of the game here. Because the first signs that it's working, well, they're pretty much invisible. Here is your first magic number, 90. 90 days, 3 months. You might be thinking, why so long? Well, that's how long it takes for the treatment to really get to work down at the follicular level and start influencing that complex hair growth cycle. You've got to commit to this initial period before you can even think about looking for changes you can see. And here is the absolute key to this first phase. You are not looking for new hair yet. Your number one goal, the very first sign of success, is just getting that excessive shedding under control. Now, this might feel like a weird invisible win because you're not seeing new hairs pop up, but trust me, it is the most important first step. All right, so you've made it through the first 90 days, you've laid the foundation, and hopefully you've got the shedding under control. Now we're entering what I like to call the turning point. This is where your patience really starts to pay off, and you can see it. This is the window, somewhere between months 4 and 6, where you can finally start looking in the mirror for some real, tangible results. The foundation you built in those first 3 months is now strong enough to actually support some new growth. So what exactly are you looking for? Well, according to our expert source, you should start to see, and I quote, noticeable new hair growing in. And this usually shows up as a density increase typically along that frontal hairline or the crown. So you know exactly where to look now. Now, seeing those first new hairs is an incredible feeling, right? But the journey's far from over. The next stage is all about playing the long game. This is where our focus shifts from just the number of new hairs to the overall quality and appearance of your hair. And this is where we see a really cool difference. That early growth you see around month 6 is all about that density increase. You're seeing more hairs, but they might be kind of fine and wispy. But as you push into that 12 to 18-month range, that new growth actually matures. It becomes real volume. You might even see your hair's color and texture get better. And this really highlights what we're talking about. We're not just counting individual strands anymore. Volume is about the whole aesthetic. The fullness, the thickness, the way your hair just looks and feels. It's a way more satisfying milestone to hit. This brings us to our final big milestone number, 24. That's 2 full years. I want you to think of this as reaching the summit of the mountain when it comes to regrowth. The expert consensus is pretty clear on this. By the 24-month mark, you've likely hit the point of maximum return. After 2 years of being consistent, you've probably achieved all the regrowth you're going to get. And that's a huge accomplishment, and it signals a brand new phase in your journey. So what happens after you hit your peak? You've arrived. You've reached your destination. But this doesn't mean it's all over. It just means the objective changes a little bit. So here's the big takeaway. The first 2 years are all about that active regrowth phase. But once you hit your max potential, you switch gears. Your strategy isn't about trying to grow more hair. It's now about keeping the incredible results that you've worked so hard for. You've officially entered maintenance mode. And there you have it, a clear, step-by-step roadmap from just getting the shed under control all the way to reaching your absolute maximum potential. It's definitely a marathon, not a sprint. So the real question is, now that you've got the map, are you ready for the journey?